So how do I do these awesome light board videos? Let's walk through them. This is the light board. It's nowhere near as pretty as the videos that we do, the finished videos. And if you're looking at this picture, you're seeing that we're shooting into the light board. And of course, the writing is reversed. You get a lot of questions on that. In your video editing software, you literally just flip the video to show the writing on the right side. We're using these neon expo markers. This strip LED lights into the plexiglass, allowing for that effect, that glowing effect. Let's talk about lighting. If you notice right now, you can see my reflection in the mirror. So we have to turn off the overhead lights in the studio. And once you turn off the overhead lights in the studio, the only light source are those LED strip lights. There's advantages and disadvantages to that. Since I'm dark skinned, a person of color, it's very hard to light a person of color to begin with. Then you're putting me against a backdrop. I have studio lights, obviously, but when I turn those on, you end up getting an effect or shadows on both the backdrop and the neon. So it's really hard to light a person of color and keep the effect. So if you're not a person of color, you won't have as much of a challenge with lighting. We adjust the opaqueness to get the dark background, and voila, video's done. Simple, right? Yeah, there are some gadgets. One of the gadgets is the light board itself is very difficult to maintain. You're using these neon markers and you end up getting artifacts on the screen that the opaqueness will sometimes catch and adjust, but most of the time not. So you have to clean the light board up pretty vigorously or you end up doing takes. I find if I use a monitor as I shoot, I make less mistakes and less do-overs and rework. There's literally not much you can do if you make a mistake on the writing on the whiteboard because they are difficult to erase. I hope you enjoyed this how-to. For more CTO Advisor Enterprise IT coverage, you can find me on the web, thectoadvisor.com. You can subscribe to the YouTube channel to get more Enterprise IT content. Thanks for following us.